All Manipur Bodybuilders Association Amba felicitated newly appointed DGP of the state, P. Doungel, who is also a former Mr. India, during a formal function held at Conference Hall of Classic Hotel, North AOC yesterday. The function was attended by Chairman and Managing Director of Babina Group, Dr. T.H. Dhavali Singh, and President of Amba N. Ratan Singh as the main guest. Speaking at the function, Doungel expressed his appreciation to Amba for felicitating him and honoring him on being appointed as the DGP of the state. He also appreciated the bodybuilders of the state who tried their best to bring laurels to the state. P. Doungel appealed to the people to maintain peace and integrity even though there are political differences, as the people of the state are all brothers and sisters.
Loinamak 6 accused FIR the name to badu loina ngasi phakre mohoi ekhoi gi custody de le aduga body cremation di magi father do hospital de le father do thok lega adu matung da body cremation su togani hojik oina di curfew su thame aduga both sides su phajana wari sarega tension di minimize oire and body di dispose already, then problem di loisan gani in appeal to basidi ekoi ama nungsi rega lebin da se political difference later su only chinda or debate to bada adu da loisal lega but as human being mi ama oirega let us love one another ekoi di loi di sorgi angang khaktani.